True.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Joanna P. Unboxing tayo guys, regalo ng aking friend, one of my friend. Guess what kung ano yung nasa box niya? Box. Tadaan! It's a copper mask guys. Copper mask. Ayan, meron siyang dito. Original, nakalagay siya original copper mask. Ayan, one of the best selling copper daw to. So, ayan guys. Copper mask, face mask, helps kill 99% germs daw guys. Ayan. Strong antibacterial layers, helps kills 99% of germs. Superior bacterial terminator effect, comfortable respiration, and complete prevention of saliva droplets. Helps prevent dermatitis and allergies, harmless to human. So, pwede natin gamitin guys dahil walang harmless daw. So, yung layer niya guys, fabric layer, non-woven, and antibacterial layers, copper mask film. So this box include one piece antimicrobial copper mask film, and mayroon siyang 10 pieces reusable non-woven filter. So maganda to kasi pwede siyang i-reuse. So there is 2 pieces sealed sticker and 8 pieces colored copper mask logo. There's black, red, green, and blue. So there's also 2 pieces elastic string. This is good for 30 days guys. Ayan. So this is made in Korea. This is made in Korea. So ayan guys, tingnan natin kung ano yung nasa loob niya. Ayan guys, buksan na natin. Buksan. Oh, original nga. Hirap buksan. Original. Copper mask. Tan-tararan! Ito na yan guys. So ito siya. The classic style. Okay. The original. Pero kailangan nating mag-eyeglass guys. Hindi ko mabasa. Matanda na guys. Matanda na. Okay. The original. Don't have spare time to think of and assemble your copper mask design. No worry, let's go back to the OG. Okay. And yan yung sa army daw. The original, sorry. The army style. Yung army style naman, get your game face ready. Fight against the virus and copper mask. So, mayroon din siyang nakalagay na wild cuts. So, unleash the best in you. Let's make this pandemic down out of the blue. Isa. So, create your own style daw. Create your own style. Daming din. Show us your creativity. Express yourself. And style your copper mask. Pwede mo siyang style daw. Yung pwede nating style. So, yun. Yan guys, so we can style this mask. Style your copper mask. Style your copper mask. Know how to use your original copper mask. First, fold the copper mask in half. Make sure that it is aligned. Place the two sealed sticker at the top and the bottom part of the mask. Okay, we'll do that later on, guys. Then put the two copper mask black logo on both the upper left and upper right part of the mask. Okay, later. Next, place a piece of non-woven fabric filtered inside the copper mask antimicrobial film. Okay. So finally, you can now put the elastic string on both sides and adjust it depending on your preference. Oh, pwede mo pala siyang i-style, guys. Ayos to, ah. What is a copper mask? Copper mask is the first and 100% guaranteed original copper mask in the Philippines. Wow. It has an antimicrobial film with infused copper strands, non-woven fabric filters, and is effective to kill 99% of different bacterial and viruses. So here are the benefits of copper mask. Meron pa ako kumain kasi ako, guys. Meron pa pala akong tinapad dyan. Okay, let's proceed. What is the benefits of the copper mask? It has antimicrobial and antiviral properties. It helps you breathe comfortably due to its air channel design at the bottom. The copper mask antimicrobial film is washable. Wow. Filtered are also washable. Wow. Up 2 times and can be used up to 3 times. So, okay din pala to, guys. It's very eco. Yung makakasip ka ng money. So, it can completely block infectious droplets. So, pag naghatsu yung katabi mo, hindi yung droplets niya, pag naamoy mo, hindi mo malalanghap. So, what else? It prevents condensation in glasses that avoids having foggy glass. So, pag naka-mask ka, guys, katulad nito pag mask ka, pag huminga ka, di ba nagka-cloudy yung glass sa ibang mask? Ito hindi. Hindi daw siya mag-foggy yung glass mo. So, it's safe to use and skin-friendly due to its ventilation system. Okay, great. So, what's new? The newest version of copper mask has finally arrived. Wow, ano kaya to? We are ready to offer you an improved copper mask antimicrobial film that will keeps you safer and protected against bacterial and viruses. But wait, that more. You can now design and style your own copper mask. Yay! Galing ah. So feel free to express yourself using the colored logo sticker. Meron siyang colored logo sticker, guys. Ayan. So, ano to? Where we are? Colored. Okay. Exciting, right? Yeah, it's so exciting. You can now experience the safer at the same time stylish new Norm Mask 12 Copper Mask Point 2. Wow. What's in the box? So, hey, let's know the inclusions. There is 2 pieces sealed sticker. Ito yun. Yan yung sticker niya, guys. And 10 pieces non-woven fabric filter. Yung, ayan. Ito yan. Ito yan, guys. So, no. This the white one. So, ito, the copper mask. Ito pala yung copper mask kasi iba yung kulay niya. So, yan yung copper mask. Antimicrobial film point 2. 2.2, sorry. Okay. The 8 pieces colored copper mask logo sticker. So, ito yon yung sticker niya. So, there's also 2 pieces elastic string. Ito yon yung string niya, guys. So, yan. Tingnan natin. Sabi we can style. So, we can style. Galing niya, ah. So, yan, guys. Ito yun. Ito yung 2-piece na string niya. String. This is the copper mask. And this is the filtered. So, pwede nating style daw ito eh. Okay. We'll see now.